Not too bad of a day as temperatures made it back up into the 40s this afternoon. Some of you in the middle and upper 40s. Lots of sunshine around, and that's the case right now as we take a live look from Schoen's Roofing in Beatrice. Plenty of sunshine out there. Tomorrow that won't be the case. We're going to see a lot of clouds around here. However, we're going to see warmer temperatures. Temperature-wise right now, it's 41 degrees in Lincoln after reaching 43 this afternoon. 44 for a temperature right now in Beatrice. But look at Fairbury, Hebron, and Kearney all sitting at 47 degrees, so really not too bad. For the rest of this evening, if you're heading out for dinner this evening, grab a jacket. We'll be down to 32 degrees by 8 o'clock, 29 by 10. Eventually, temperatures by tomorrow morning dropping down into lower to middle 20s under partly to mostly cloudy skies. Now, a warm front exists out to the west. This front will start to slide through here tomorrow morning and early afternoon, and behind it, that's when that warmer air will start to surge up our way. So we're going to get into the warm sector of this storm. And then eventually a cold front slides through here during the day on Wednesday, and that's going to make things feel a little bit more winter-like Wednesday as well as Thursday, although it's going to be a relatively short blast of some colder air coming back our way. Tomorrow morning on Stormcast starting at 9 a.m. we'll have mid to high level clouds spreading overhead, but take a look at the temperature by noon. Already into the upper 40s to near 50 degrees. We'll be climbing through the 50s and getting into the 60s by afternoon. This looks to be the warmest February 15th in about 20 years. It's going to be very nice. 61 degrees for high temperature in Lincoln, 63 in Beatrice, and because of the cloud cover going a little cooler, we may actually see temperatures a bit warmer than 61. We could hit 62, 63, maybe as high as 64 degrees in the capital city. 61 in New York, 61 in Hastings. Notice the winds tomorrow starting out of the southeast, shifting around to the south, 10 to 20 with gusts to 35 miles per hour. And because of that, there is going to be a fire danger tomorrow. You'll notice our in-house computer model suggesting we're talking possible to high conditions, especially for southeastern Lancaster County and Gage County. So that's something to keep an eye on. Burning is not a good idea outside tomorrow because of the gusty winds and dry conditions. You'll notice wind gusts for tomorrow will be mainly out of the south, again, gusting at times to 35 miles per hour. Maybe a 40 mile per hour gust, not out of the question, down towards Beatrice. But as we go to Tuesday night and Wednesday morning, that cold front will start to slide through. You'll notice the wind shift happening. Here we are 11 o'clock tomorrow night, already starting to happen in Columbus and Grand Island and Hastings. That front then passes through right about midnight to 2 o'clock in the morning in Lincoln. Our winds will begin to pick up back behind it, and that's when that cooler air will start to move down our direction. Now, with this weather system, this is just one of the several computer models by Stormcast. It'll start to come out of the Rocky Mountains and into the Central Plains. I think for the most part, this entire weather system is going to miss us to the south and southeast. There could be a chance for a few snowflakes around here on Wednesday, and if we were to see any accumulating snow, I think it's going to be for the far southeastern corner of the state. And I think even at that, we're talking a very small chance of that happening, and if so, we're talking just a few tenths of an inch. 7-day forecast shows the cooler temperatures coming down our way for Wednesday, 38 for a high, 34 degrees on Thursday. But then we start warming things back up once again for the end of the week, back up to 56 degrees on Friday, 55 degrees on Saturday, and look at Sunday. So a fantastic weekend to get outdoors, 64 degrees, and then we start to see another shot of some cooler air coming down for the middle and or beginning and middle of next week. Maybe a chance for some snow flurries around here on Tuesday. But right now, prospects for snow look very small, so winter remains on hold around southeast Nebraska.